Good morning, my dear students. After a long gap of 6 days, once again I am continuing the exercise 1.1 of chapter 1 integers. Okay. Already I taught 8 mains from exercise 1.1. Today I am going to deal with the last main, that is a 9th main. Of course, you have one main. 10th main also, another main, that is 10th main. In 10th main, puzzles are discussed and those puzzles will be dealt once the school reopens, because it takes a lot of communication with the students to discuss those puzzles. So therefore I am leaving those puzzles. Okay, even you can also try those puzzles in your home, but I will close this exercise 1.1 after solving this last main, that is a 9th main. Okay, ಈಗ 9th ಮೇನ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೇರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಬೆಟರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್ or better understanding of the problem. Okay, 9th main, use the sign lesser than or greater or equality. Okay, lesser than or greater or lesser than or equality in the box to make statements true. Okay. These are the statements, mathematical statements. LHS is there, RHS is there. In between, blank space is there. In this blank space, you have to use a greater than, lesser than, or equal. Among these three signs, if more symbols it is not called as a signs. Among these three symbols, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ವೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ವೆದರ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್? ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, okay, when we solve this LHS or RHS separately, then only we can decide which one is greater, which one is lesser. So first we need to write the question, we need to solve LHS, RHS separately, then we need to compare both the values. ಎರಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಸೈನ್. ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, I will solve out of these 5 problems, I will solve 4 problems and I will give 1 problem as a homework for you all. Okay. Let us take first question. It is a question. -8 plus under bracket -4, blank space is there, -8 minus bracket. See here, they are asking you to, okay, one who prepared this question is asking you to choose any one symbol among these three, greater, lesser, or equality. You just can't simply choose any sign. Okay, first you need to solve. ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. To solve any question or any expression or whatever you say, first we need to open the brackets. Bracket ಅನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ನ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಸೈನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಸೈನ್, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಓಪನ್ಸ್. First, see here, -8 is inside the bracket, -8 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಇಂಟು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಥರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಮೈನಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ number will come outside. It will not take the previous sign. 2 signs are multiplied to give 1 sign. Okay, only you have to take the number outside. Now again this -4 has a bracket. To open this bracket, outer sign is plus, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಈ 4 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೋರಿ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓಪನ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್. Now you decide these two are integers. Minus 8 is also integer, minus 4 is also integer. When two integers have a same sign and there is no multiplication division between them, what you have to do? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎರಡು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 8 + 4 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈನನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದು? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಸೈನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್? Greater number sign. My 8 is a greater. I am not telling minus 8 is a greater than minus 4. I am just looking at the number. Okay, I am just looking at the number, leaving the sign. So 8 is greater. 8 sign is minus. Therefore, I have to give minus. So answer is minus 12. The same similar fashion you have to solve the RHS, right hand side. Open the bracket. Plus into minus, minus, and 8 will come out. To open this bracket, minus into minus. What is minus into minus? Plus. If you multiply same signs, you will get plus. If you multiply different signs, you will get a minus. So minus into minus is plus. 4 will come out. Now again we have two integers in our hand. ಮತ್ತು ಎರಡು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಅದಾವ. ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ. ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್, ಅನದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ನಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 8 ಒಳಗೆ 4 ಹೋದ್ರೆ, if you subtract 4 from 8, what you will get? You will get a 4. Which sign you are going to give? ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲೇ? Again greater number sign ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. That is a minus. So minus 12 minus 4. Which one is greater here? Which one is greater? If you imagine a number line in your mind, just imagine number line in your mind. Okay, think. Which number is on the left side of which number? Minus 8 is on the left side of a minus 4. So which is on the left side is always smaller than which is on the right side. Okay, the numbers on the right side is a greater than always any number which is on the left side. So and minus 12 is more negative than minus 4. Therefore this is smaller and this one is a greater. Okay. Therefore, which sign you have to use? Arrowhead. Arrowhead must be towards a smaller one, and this larger portion, this is smaller one, this is larger portion. Larger portion must be towards a greater one. Okay, arrowhead must be towards a smaller one. The back of this symbol must be towards a larger one. Very simple. I hope you understood. I will go for B question. B question. Minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 minus inside bracket 19, blank space is there, 15 minus 8 plus inside bracket minus 9 is there. Okay, this is the question. Again LHS is there, this is the LHS, this is the RHS. To make this statement true, among these three symbols we have to use any one. Okay. So before deciding which symbol we are going to use, we have to solve it. Otherwise we can't say which one is greater, which one is a small. So solve it. Same step, open the bracket first. Plus into minus, minus 3. This plus 7, don't have any bracket, keep it as it is. This 19 inside the bracket is positive because it is no sign means positive. Outside minus is there. Minus into plus will give you minus, and 19 will come outside. Okay. Now, can you observe? 3 integers are there. 2 negative integers. I already told you. Number always possess its a sign on its left side. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಅದರ ಸೈನ್ ಅದರ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. 3 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, 3 ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಗಾಟ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? 7 is positive, 7 is not negative. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಎಡಗಡೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. We must see the left side of any number, then only we come to know about its sign. Okay, ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ we need to add these two. Keep this plus 7 as it is. Keep this plus 7 as it is. Minus 3 minus 19. Minus minus same sign, add ಮಾಡಿ. 19 plus 3 ಎಷ್ಟು? 22. 22. ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 19 ಮತ್ತು 3 ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್? 19 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್. 19 ನ ಸೈನ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ 22. ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್, ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅದ, ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅದ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? If we have two integers in our hand, one is positive, another one is negative, then we must subtract it. 22 ಒಳಗೆ 7 ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 15 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. 15 ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೈನ್. 22 is greater. 22 greater ಆದ. Only you must look at the numbers, don't look at the sign. Okay, 22 is greater, its sign is minus, therefore minus. So answer is minus 15. ಅದೇ ಥರ RHS ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 15 ಗೆ ಏನು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 15 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ರೈಟ್, 15 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ರೈಟ್, 15 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಮೈನಸ್ 8 ಗೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 8 ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ನೌ ದಿಸ್ 9 possess negative sign and it is inside a bracket. Open this bracket, outside sign the plus into minus is minus and this 9 will come outside. Very easy. Again 1 is positive integer, 2 are negative. ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅದ, ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ದಿಸ್ 15 as it is. 2 ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ you have to add. ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅದ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 9 plus 18 ಎಷ್ಟು? 17. ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೈನ್. Okay, now you got two integers in your hand, one is positive, another one is negative. Subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 7 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 17 or 15 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಸೈನ್ 17 ಸೈನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so one is minus 15, another one is a minus 2. Which one is greater? Which one is more negative? Which one is more negative? For example, I will give you one instance. Okay, as you know, A plus and A are considered to be very good grades. Okay, now I have two students. One is having the grade B plus. Another boy is having the grade B, and one more student got the grade C. Actually, all three grades are bad only. They are not so good. B plus is considered to be average. B is considered to be just pass. C is considered to be fail. But among these three, if I want to compare, this is better than these three, these two. B plus is better than these two. But if I am comparing these two, B is better than this C. So likewise, both are negative only. Both are lesser than 0. But among these two, which one is better? Minus 2 is better. Means minus 2 is greater than minus 15. Minus 2 is greater than minus 15. Or else you can imagine a number line in your mind. Okay, minus 15 ಮತ್ತು minus 2 ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೆಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಪ? minus 2 ಬೆಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಅದು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ minus 15ಗಿಂತ. ಎರಡು 0ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆನೇ ಆದರೂ ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ minus 2 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ನಾ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸೈನನ್ನು? ಆ್ಯರೋ ಹೆಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ನ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್. ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಟಿ ವಿ ಒಳಗೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. Yes, smaller. This one is a greater. Okay. So you have to use like this. Next question. I will go for a third question. You can pause the video. Video pause ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಡ್ಫೋನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. I will go for C question. 23 minus 41 plus 11 blank space 23 minus 41 11. Look here. Give me answer. There is no bracket here. It's a very good question, very easy question, because there is no bracket, nothing. Direct, they have already solved one step for you. Okay, it's an easy question. It is. There is no bracket here. No need to open bracket, multiply sign. It's easy. Now, 3 integer on the LHS: positive, negative, positive. So 2 positive are there. Keep this negative as it is. Keep this negative as it is. These 2 are positive now. Add both. 23 plus 11. How much? 34. 34. Among these 2, which one is greater? 23. Its sign is plus. Now, one is negative, another one is a positive. What you have to do? Subtract. 41 minus 34. You do 41 minus 34. Answer is 7. Answer is 7. 41 minus 34. So, which sign you are going to get greater among this 34 and 41? 41 is greater. Its sign is minus. Answer is minus 7. Answer is minus 7. Similarly, 1 positive, 2 negative integers. Keep this positive integer as it is. Keep this negative positive integer as it is. You just add these 2. 41 plus 11. 51, 52. Answer is 52. Okay. This 52, which sign it is going to get? 52 answer ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 52. ಈ 52 ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? 41 ಮತ್ತು 11. Among this 41 and 11, 41 is greater. Therefore, its sign is minus. It is going to get minus sign. It is going to get a minus sign. So, again, one is positive, another one is negative. Subtraction. 52 minus 23. 52 minus 23. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 7 ಗೆ 30 ಆಯ್ತು. 27, 29. Okay, 29. If you subtract 23 from 52, you are going to get 29. Which sign you are going to get? 52 is greater. Which sign is minus 29. Now you tell which one is greater, which one is small. This is better, no? Minus 7 is better than minus 23. Minus 7 is very near to 0, no? Minus 29 is too far from the 0. Okay. Actually, this logic is not correct, but you can understand minus 7 is better than minus 29. Therefore, minus 7 is greater than minus 29. This is more negative compared to minus 7. Therefore, arrowhead must be towards a smaller one. This is smaller, this is greater. Therefore, arrowhead must be towards a smaller. The back portion of this symbol must be towards a greater one. Okay. Symbol, we have to use this symbol. Okay. Now, D question. I will solve D question for you, and I will give. Take E question as a homework. Better you take D question as a homework. Okay, there are some brackets here. You will get a practice how to open the brackets, how to add the numbers. I will solve E for you. E question. Take D as a homework. Minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. 51. Okay. Blank space is there. Minus 399 plus 159. 159. 159 plus 81. Okay. Again, it's a very easy problem. No brackets, nothing. Just you have to group it. One negative integer, two positive integer. Write this negative integer as it is. Add these two. Minus 231. Keep as it is. Plus 79 plus 51. What you have to do? You have to add now. Am I right? Plus 79 plus 51. You have to add these two. 9 plus 1, 10, 0. And you carry forward. 6 I do. 6 plus 7 is 13. Answer is 130. Right? 130. Yavu greater 51 ಮತ್ತು 79 ಒಳಗಡೆ 50 among this 51 79 is greater, it's signing plus. Okay. One is negative integer, another one is a positive integer. Subtraction you have to do. So in 231 you have to remove 130. So 1 minus 0, 1, 3 minus 3, 0, 2 minus 1, answer is 101. 101. Greater, only look at while checking which one is greater, which one is smaller, only look at the numbers, don't look at sign. If you look at sign, minus 231 is smaller than plus 130. Okay, but while deciding the sign, only just look at the numbers. 231 is greater than 130, therefore its sign minus. Similar fashion, solve the RHS. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ RHS ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ 2 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಕೀಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. 2 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 159 and 81. 9 plus 1 10, 10 is 0. 1 carry forward. 9 plus 5 14. 1 240. Answer is 240. 240. ಇವೆರಡು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು? 150 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 240. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. One is negative and one is subtraction. 399. 399. 240. From 399 I have to remove 240. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 4, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. 159. 1. This sign we have to use. So you now you tell me which one is more negative among minus 101 and minus 159. Which one is better? Minus 101 is better, so it is a greater, it is a smaller. Okay, so arrowhead must be towards a smaller one. The back space, okay, the back side of the arrow must be towards a larger one. Only you concentrate on a smaller number. This is smaller, therefore I must draw arrowhead towards smaller. Only arrowhead ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಅದ ಅದರ ಕಡೆ ಮಾತ್ರ arrowhead ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ. I hope this is enough. This much is enough to understand this name. So please solve this D problem by your own, and I already gave a textbook link for the 7th standard mathematics. There you can also download the solution page. Solution page is there, no? That also you can download from the website. There you can check the answer. Okay, otherwise when school reopens we can discuss about it. So hereby exercise 1.1 is over. This much you write in classwork. How much I solved on the board. In first class I gave us little bit notes about whole numbers, natural numbers, integers. That much you write in the beginning, and afterwards how much I solved on the board, that much you have to write in the notebook. Okay. In next class, after explaining few properties of integers, I will go for exercise 1.2. But nearly 1 or 2 class I need to explain the properties of integers. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Be with us. Love.